Hello and welcome to LED Nation. In this video, we'll explain why choosing a US-based company like LED Nation is a smarter, more reliable choice than purchasing LED panels from overseas suppliers, particularly from China. First, we're proudly based just outside Miami, Florida, and we're home to one of the largest showrooms in the industry. Here you can see our full range of LED video walls in person, compare models side by side, and test our products before you commit. But purchasing an LED wall isn't just about the product, it's about the partnership. When you buy from LED Nation, you invest in long-term support, including local warranty execution, handled right here in our main office in Florida, in-house repairs, and fast access to spare parts, with FedEx and UPS overnight shipping options to minimize downtime. As part of our service, we assign a dedicated personal project manager to your LED wall project. One of our technicians will work closely with you to review all the necessary details and ensure that everything is properly planned and executed. When buying from overseas companies, however, especially from Chinese suppliers, customers often face delayed responses, language barriers, lack of technical support, and non-existent after-sales service, as well as hidden import fees and new tariffs. At LED Nation, we pride ourselves on top-tier technical support and customer service. Our support team, located at our main office, is available daily to assist you. Need help with video configuration, color calibration, cable connections, or assembly? We'll jump on a video call and walk you through it step by step. At LED Nation, we believe your LED wall is just the beginning of a lasting relationship that starts when you buy our product. If you have any questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our sales representatives. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you soon.